Counting on alum Jim Bob Duggar continues to face many issues following the CSAM arrest of his son Josh. Many eyes have been watching the Duggar family, but despite all their careful acts, some family members can't help but get into trouble. One of them may even face jail time soon. Keep reading to see who it was. Counting on. Amy Duggar's husband Dylan King faces lawsuit. In 2023, Hillcrest Holdings, LLC sued Dylan King and his business partners for his unpaid rent. The Counting on alum missed multiple rents for his restaurant, Wellington's. According to the filing, Dylan and his partners allegedly vacated the premises, which constitutes as a default of the lease and a material breach of contract. Dylan stopped paying for rent after June 2023. Dylan and his team claimed that they only stopped paying rent after the plaintiffs refused to communicate after several good faith attempts. A settlement agreement was then ordered by the court earlier this year, asking Dylan to pay $156,909.96. But it seems he's still not interested in paying anything, and it may soon lead him to jail. Dylan may face jail time. New reports surfaced claiming that Dylan King is facing new punishment for consistently failing to pay his judgment. It was revealed that Hillcrest Holdings, LLC now demands that the Counting on alum face jail time. This comes after Dylan goes against the judge's orders. The motion for contempt citation and for sanctions against Dylan was filed on March 12, 2025. The document also states that Dylan has put the plaintiff under an arduous and expensive task of trying to figure out how to collect from him. On January 2, 2025, the plaintiff also filed its notice of deposition to ask Dylan to appear for a deposition on February 11, 2025. However, Dylan failed to comply. The plaintiff also believes he willfully and intentionally delays everything, leading to their frustration. Counting on. Dylan King continues to fight back. Despite all the judgment, Dylan is still trying to fight back. He believes that the huge penalty for his unpaid rent is unreasonable. On January 29, 2025, the Counting on alum filed a motion to quash, which is a request to void a court proceeding. He also denies all the liability and the damages owed. In a court file, Dylan and his team said, "It is admitted that the agreement was signed, and the first payment was made. However, the remaining allegations are denied, and payment has been offered." Dylan King also demands an alternative ruling and hopes for the court to reconsider their decisions. Dylan struggled to pay the second half of his unpaid rent, which led the plaintiffs to seek certain damages, interest, and fees. Amy Duggar has been discreet about her husband's situation, but she previously told her followers that something crazy had happened to their restaurant.